And take a look at what we got over here. These trucks, I'm 5'11", folks, and this, without the hat, 5'11". These are beast monster trucks right here. 500 horsepower Cummins X15 engine powering these bad boys over here. These trucks got all the bells and whistles. Folks, I'm Tarek, Roll Off Truck World, your one-stop waste shop. Today we're going to be giving a little quick walk around on these international HXs. Like I said, they got that 500 horsepower Cummins X15. You can't go wrong with that horsepower or that engine. Allison 4500 RDS transmission made it to that. Come take a look at the interior on this beast of a truck. You got that Cummins badge. Make sure you take a look at it. That's what everybody loves on these trucks right here. Take a look at the diamond stitching. This is also offered in a A26 engine, international, or the X15 engine. These are real nice trucks. We got a couple of these trucks in stock with the A26 and the X15 engine Cummins in there. The best benefit to maximize your efficiency out of a truck like this with such big horsepower is obviously to drop a third axle. Sometimes you don't need it, but man, you got all the capabilities with a truck like this. So a third axle, a Pintle hitch kit, something like that is definitely going to give you some power. And of course, you got to have that 75,000 power to really optimize and maximize your payload out of such a nice and awesome monster of a truck. You got a Titan roll-off XOR 75-22. That's a 75,000 pound cable hoist system, outboard mounted cylinders, lift cylinders, traditional standard rail, 22 feet long, American Tarp system, fully hydraulic Raptor X model. You got your hydraulic gantry tower over here. It is extendable. Steel headache rack to protect the driver from the elements and that cable. Take a look at our 5-spool valve controls. This is your outsides. You got broom shovel holder. You got your broom for your boots. Make sure you keep that cab nice and clean. Steel fenders on this configuration. We do offer them in diamond plate fenders. Tie down bar location. These straps here, they are adjustable. Pintle hitch is adjustable as well, foldable. Real rolling tailboard. This is a standard configuration, but we do offer this unit with more, chrome fenders, aluminum diamond plate, etc., whatever you need. Toolbox. Folks, if you're looking for a truck like this, give us a call, 281-864-0891, or visit our website, www.rolloffTruckWorld.com. You also find these trucks at our Holt Truck Centers International Dealer over in Houston, Texas, and give them a call if you're looking for some of these beautiful, awesome trucks. Take a look at how tall they are. Just beautiful. Turned out beautiful. Have a great day.